हम लोग कितना भी पढ़ के आ जाए, but that is not enough, and you need to stay updated, because when you have nobody to ask from, these practical courses actually come to your rescue and help you out. Hello friends, I am CS Jaspreet. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another special fun Saturday video. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your June 2022 exams, and preparation is a must, as I always say. But today's video, as it's a Saturday video, it has to be a fun yet more informative video for all of you. So in today's video, I will tell you how to be a successful professional. That could be a CA, CS, CMA, LLB, MBA, CFA, any profession. But before that, if you're viewing me for the first time, hi, I'm Jaspreet. I post videos for CA, CS, CMA students as well as members. I post a motivational video on Monday, a work study planning tips video on Wednesday, and a special fun Saturday video like this one, which is today. So make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I post any video, you get notified. So the 4 tips that you require to be a successful professional, starting with the first one, which is work on your communication skills. Nevertheless, we all know that communication skills are the one that differentiate one person from the other. And of course, you can work on them by reading good books, working on your vocabulary, working on the language you use, and of course the way you express yourself, that is ultimately the communication. आप अपनी बात सामने वाले तक किस तरीके से पहुंचाते हो is the ultimate communication, and as a professional ये चीज़ बहुत important है to communicate to the person. Now you could be in employment or you could be in your own practice. ये चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा important है कि आप क्या बोलना चाहते हो, वो आपके सीनियर को भी समझ में आना चाहिए और वो आपके क्लाइंट को भी समझ में आना चाहिए. So that is why ये चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी है that you have to be crisp, concise and particular with the words you use and the gestures you actually show in front of them. तो इन सारी चीज़ों पे आपको day to day work करना चाहिए, and I would highly suggest कि आपको इन सारी चीज़ों के लिए daily अपनी रूटीन में ऐसी चीज़ें या ऐसी हैबिट्स इनकॉर्पोरेट करनी चाहिए जिससे लॉन्गर रन में आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स इंप्रूव हो सके. सेकेंड, वर्क ऑन योर पर्सनैलिटी. अब किसी से भी बात करने से पहले हम सबसे पहले वी हैव दिस हैबिट ऑफ एनालाइजिंग द पर्सन, द वे दे आर ड्रेस अप, द वे दे टॉक, द वे दे सिट, देयर एटिकेट्स, देयर मैनर्स, सो मेनी थिंग्स. आई थिंक किसी के बात करने से पहले ही हम 50 to 60% सामने वाले को एनालाइज कर लेते हैं. सो यू हैव टू डेवलप दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी विच इज डेफिनेटली हम्बल, विच इज डेफिनेटली इम्प्रेसिव, एंड डेफिनेटली समवन हु इज लॉट मोर अट्रैक्टिव देन अदर्स, राइट? अब इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप कोई एक्सपेंसिव कपड़े पहन रहे हो या एक्सपेंसिव बैग ले रहे हो या एक्सपेंसिव वॉचेस लगा रहे हो. नॉट एट ऑल. First of all, I would say your personality comes out from the vibes that you create around you, right? आपकी vibes हमेशा positive होनी चाहिए, humble होनी चाहिए. You should never, show out as a person of attitude or as a person as showing off the things. That should never be your vibe. Otherwise, people would never ever appreciate your personality in job or in practice or anywhere else. तो ये सबसे पहली चीज़ है कि अपनी पर्सनालिटी पे जब आप काम करना शुरू करते हो तो इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपका वे ऑफ थिंकिंग कैसा है, आपका वे ऑफ आउटलुक कैसा है टुवर्ड्स लाइफ. सो इट शुड ऑलवेज बी पॉजिटिव एंड हम्बल, राइट? ये पहला लेसन है दैट वी ऑल शुड नो, दैट अपनी चीज़ों का शो ऑफ करना या अपने आप को ओवर द टॉप दिखाने से आपकी पर्सनालिटी कभी भी अच्छी नहीं दिखती. सेकेंडली, योर बॉडी पोस्चर, like how you sit, how the gestures you create in front of anybody, that plays a bigger role in your personality. And of course how you speak, and most important what you speak, क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि जब तक सामने वाला इंसान बोलता नहीं है, we are really impressed, and the moment that person speaks हमारी सारी की सारी expectations खत्म हो जाती हैं. So that is why it is very very important on working on your personality. And in this category I will also include the point of self-grooming, which is very very important. Whenever you go out or whenever you meet somebody, always make sure that you are properly groomed, right? Your personality should outshine, inside out. You should look good at outside, but of course with a beautiful soul inside as well, right? So always work on it. Day to day you have to work on your personality so that you develop a nice, a humble and a very attractive kind of a personality, which actually plays a bigger role in establishing a good career. Third, work on your knowledge. Now, as a professional myself, I can tell you that knowledge is everything and updating your knowledge is another level. हम लोग कितना भी पढ़ के आ जाए, but that is not enough. That is never enough, I would say, because हर दिन changes आते हैं, tax में, laws में, acts में, हर चीज में changes आते हैं, and you need to stay updated. For me, I have to stay updated daily on the sites like MCA and company law के act में क्या क्या changes आ गई, क्या क्या amendment आ गई, ये सारी चीजें हमें पता होनी चाहिए. And alongside that, one more thing that helps a lot as a professional student and as a professional also, that are the practical courses. Like for the people जिन्होंने GST actually as a student नहीं पढ़ा, उनके लिए GST एकदम नया था, right? So हर चीज बदलती रहती है with the passage of time और हमें updated रहना बहुत जरूरी है. So ये practical courses, they help us to stay updated every day. Even if we have not started GST as a student, we need to know about it because obviously the work is growing and we need to know about it. We need to stay updated with it. And so are the other practical courses that are relevant to our professions. We need to stay updated. So I'll let you know about the practical courses offered by the LLA Professional Training Institute by the Labor Law Advisor. They offer practical courses on various topics which are practical, self-paced, doubt solving and certificate as well. So they have the practical courses on GST, they have the practical courses on income tax, A to Z taxation of online sellers, as well as they have a very interesting course on how to raise fundings for startups, which I think is really interesting for us as well as the upcoming generation who's going to be the next generation of professionals. So I would highly suggest you to check their courses. In the practical course, they actually teach you the computation of income as well as the ITR filing, TDS computation and the TDS filing. Likewise, in GST, they teach the GST registration, GST computation, ITC adjustment and GST return filing. Now, I will highly recommend you to do these practical courses as they actually add value to your profession. Even if you are a student, even if you are a professional, you are never enough. You never ever know everything. So this is something we all should know and we should all keep learning and growing every day. These courses will definitely help you in your job as well as if you're planning to set up your own practice, they will definitely help you out because when you have nobody to ask from, these practical courses actually come to your rescue and help you out in actually becoming a good and a successful professional because ये सारी चीजें हमें day to day चाहिए होती हैं and sometimes you hesitate and sometimes you don't know कि किससे जाके पूछे, right? इस तरीके से if you have something like these courses and by doing these courses at least you can polish your knowledge, add value to your job and add lots of clients to your practice as well. So I would highly suggest you to check these courses and courses को आप easily buy कर सकते हो. App link नीचे description box में दिया है. ऐप लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप इजिली इन कोर्सेज को बाय कर सकते हो एंड यू कैन अवेल फ्लैट 10% डिस्काउंट इफ यू यूज माय कोड JustPreet10 टू बाय दीज कोर्सेज. आप इन कोर्सेज को इजिली बाय कर सकते हो थ्रू एन ऐप लिंक विच इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. आप डायरेक्टली उस पर क्लिक करके इनमें से कोई भी कोर्सेज बाय कर सकते हो. And alongside GST and income tax, they do have the practical courses on payroll and compliances as well. So you can go and check the courses and avail the benefit of discount by using my code. And fourth point is work on your consistency. Now, this is something I would highly suggest you to be consistent and be patient with your work. You have to be patient and consistent in the beginning because maybe job gives you a security, a fixed income, but unlike job, practice doesn't give this, right? If you have your own kind of business, if you have your own practice, then it will take time to set up. You will have to be patient, but be consistent with your efforts, right? Don't lose hope. That is something very important, and that is the foremost requirement, that is patience when you have your own setup. These are the 4 points about how can you be a successful professional and how you should start working from today only, right? You should never wait कि डिग्री हो जाएगी उसके बाद हम ऐसा करेंगे. डिग्री हो जाएगी तो आप नेक्स्ट लेवल पे चले जाओगे, मे बी जॉब, मे बी प्रैक्टिस, जो भी आपको करना है. बट ये सारी चीजें वो है जो आपको आज से स्टार्ट करनी है, एंड आई थिंक you have to follow them through lifetime to be and stay a successful professional and a valuable person as well. So I hope you liked the video, and I hope you will use these 4 ways to be a successful person, to be a successful professional. वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक कर देना. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest and LinkedIn. All the links will be in the description box below. I'll see you in my next. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and keep the preparations on. Bye.